Neural networks. You have heard the term, maybe in some AI video, my previous video, some news, but you are not sure what it is. Today, I, Tejinder Tanwar, I am going to try to explain the term neural network to you, and you do not need a master's degree to understand it. So let's get started. Firstly, you do not need to get overwhelmed by the term neural networks. It is a very basic term and it is just another name for the thinking process that happens in our brain, but instead, this process is happening on a silicon chip instead of the squishy stuff. In your brain, there are billions of neurons, little cells that help you do well everything. And similarly, in AI, we also have neurons, artificial neurons that help AI to do everything. So these artificial neurons are called nodes. Here's how it works. We have got the input layer where information goes in. This information may be in the form of pixels, maybe in the form of words from a sentence, maybe in the form of numbers from a spreadsheet. It can be anything. Like whatever process, whatever task you're making AI to do, and whatever information you're giving the AI, that goes into the input layer. Next, that info travels through one or more hidden layer where the magic happens. Each node in these layers makes a tiny decision, like flipping a bunch of little switches based on the data it gets. Each connection between nodes has a weight, like importance point. Some signals get boosted, some get ignored. And after all those decisions stack up, the network finally spits out a result in the output layer, like this is a cat and this is not a cat. But how does it learn? At first, a neural network is like a baby, it knows nothing. We feed it tons of examples, like millions of pictures of cats and shoes. Every time it guesses wrong, it tweaks its weight a little. This process is called backpropagation, kind of getting instant feedback and adjusting. So, in short, neural networks is a system of different layers. First of all, we have the input layer. Then we have got hidden layers, tons of hidden layers which process the information and adjust themselves when they're wrong. And then we have got the output layer. So, and this process makes the AI, artificial intelligence, shockingly powerful. It can drive cars, it can recognize faces, it can recognize text, it can understand text, it can understand images. It's awesome. And that's it. That's how neural networks work. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. See you next time.